Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey Elizabeth, and if you love these two amazing looks, you see that? Yes, right? I used this brand new Scott Barnes palette, this one right here. This is part of the limited edition collection that he just launched a few days ago for summer, and this is the look. This is stunning. Like, honestly, so good. So if you want to watch how I did this look, keep watching. Remember, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and please comment down below. I love to hear what you guys want to say. See you in a second. Okay, so I'm opening this up for the first time, so that's my shipping slip. And this is what we got. So it comes in this package right here, and it comes in this package right here. So let me get rid of this box. Oops. Okay, so I ordered, I believe, 3 items from the new collection. So I ordered the 2 palettes, which feels like it might be in here. Yeah, these are the 2 palettes. That's stunning packaging. Like, that's beautiful. I love that. Oops, of course, break it. So these are the palettes right here. So I'm super excited to dig into those. And then this one would be the bronzer, I believe. Okay. That's a big bronzing powder. Okay. She's a lot bigger than I thought she was gonna be, that's for sure. I got the color right here, Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach. I like that. Wow. That is massive. That is like twice as big as I thought it was gonna be. Okay. I'm going to open this up. That's stunning. That is very, very, very pretty. Now, I typically don't buy a bronzer when it has this gold on it. You know, like, I'm gonna wear highlight anyways. Why am I gonna highlight with all that gold reflect? So that I'm not looking forward to, but we're gonna test it out. I'm excited for this, and yeah, the color looks beautiful. Okay, so now we have our palettes. Let's go in and see these colors. So this is called Shimmering Sand. That is beautiful. And this one is called Tequila Sunrise. Those are pretty. Those are a little wild for me, but I'm excited to try this. So out of both palettes, I'm thinking I'll try this one next time, but I'll go in with this Tequila Sunrise today to do my eyeshadow look. I want to get in there, I want to play with that yellow. Now, I also have Showy and Glowy, Sculpting and Contour, and Chic Cheek from Scott Barnes. So what I don't have is the lip and the foundation. So I'm gonna improvise for those two things. I've already gone in and I've placed my foundation. My base is already on there. Foundation, concealer, primer, like it's all on there, powdered. We're done. The brows are on, they're snatched, everything looks perfect. I'm excited about this, like I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette and we're just gonna get started. That is so beautiful, I love that. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Even camera guy rushed over to see what I was like oohing and awing over. Do you guys see that? That's so beautiful. Scott Barnes, honey, yes, that is good, I love it. That is a little more colorful than I would go on a day-to-day basis. I'm gonna do two different eyes out of this palette. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, wow. That is stunning. Can you guys see that? I have a completely different look in mind for the other eye.